Chapter 5. Passive Conjunction. Hello students, now I'm going to teach you rules to form. Student 1. Yes ma'am, you told yesterday. Following important rules are given for changing sentences of active voice into passive voice of each tense. Rule 1. If the active voice is in simple present tense, then we use is, are, am plus third form of the main verb to form passive voice. For example, Radha teaches me. In active voice, I am taught by Radha in passive. Rule 2. For the active voice of simple past tense, we use was, were plus third form of the main verbs to form passive voice. Example, in active, Pavan written them. In passive, they were written by Pavan. Rule 3. For the active voice of simple future tense, we use will be, shall be plus third form of the main verbs to form passive voice. Example, in active, Veena will teach him. In passive, he will be taught by Veena. Rule 4. For the active voice of present continuous tense, we use is, are, am plus being plus third form of the main verbs to form passive voice. Example, in active, Suman is killing mosquito. In passive, mosquito is being killed by Suman. Rule 5. For the active voice of past continuous tense, we use was, were, plus being, plus third form of the main verbs to form passive voice. Example, in active, Hunter was hunting animals. In passive, animals were being hunted by Hunter. Rule 6. For the active voice of present perfect tense, we use has been, have been, plus third form of the main verb to form passive voice. Example, in active, Ram has helped me. In passive, I have been helped by Ram. Rule 7. For the active voice of past perfect tense, we use had been plus third form of the main verb to form passive voice. Example, in active, my brother had helped me. In passive, he had been helped by my brother. Rule 8. For the active voice of future perfect continuous tense, we use will have been, shall have been plus third form of the verb to form passive voice. Example, in active, Sham will have taught him. In passive, he will have been helped by Sham. Students,
Okay, ma'am.